Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is for Alexandra. Alexandra, thank you for being a patron again this month. I'm going to be making her a mini spread and she requested a self-care fall theme. So I have this this sticker sheet from Love Yourself, which is like a self-care kind of book. And then I have some pumpkins, which kind of checks the fall theme. And I have all these great quotes that I can add around the spread. So I'm going to use this. And then I also have neutral basics and some bold and blush to also incorporate into this spread. I'm actually going to get some wax paper. I gotta remove all my old stickers. Okay, I can reuse this page right here. So yeah, I'm gonna just start pulling these stickers. Look at this cute little doggy. So cute. This little Polaroid, it says, "Don't think too much, just do what makes you happy." Oh, I like this little board. This just looks like calming. Have some pumpkins. Pumpkins. And some leaves. Yeah, this would just be a nice, neutral, clean kind of spread. Like very calming. Yes, that's what I'm hoping. Okay. Oh yeah, there's even calm right here. Alright, so I got a good amount of stickers, and then I want to pull some boxes. Let me start on this sheet first. So I got boxes. I haven't decided what color. This color's nice. Ooh, actually, I think I like this color. It's like a mauvey tan color. Okay, let me cover up these. I'm going to put this down here. Okay, this, I have to figure out, this has to go in a corner up on the top. Okay, this will probably have to go on maybe this sheet. I get this little board. And this little quote. Got some leaves. I can stick around the page too. Are there more pumpkins? Okay, I have these pumpkins. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, it's too big. Okay, maybe I'll do a candle down here. Oh, actually this one's cute. Let's protect your energy. Okay, I think the candle. All right, let me grab another box from here. Might have to pick another color scheme. Actually, let me look for a different color scheme because I don't have enough boxes from that one. Well, let me see. Nope. Oh, you know what? Let me go in bold and blush. don't have much in there. I use these a lot, so I'm not surprised I don't have a lot to pick from. Yeah. Okay, I'll have to find another book. All right, I'll do that in a sec. But let me go over here. So I'm trying to think, maybe I should put... Oh, that's gonna have to stay because that's not gonna come off. Okay, because I wanted to put these pumpkins. I could put it here. Okay, so I got some pumpkins. I have this box. Oh, these don't fit very well over here. I don't know. I might have to do a little cutting of these in a little bit. All right, I have this girl. So maybe I could put her in the corner over here with a box. And then a candle. This is happiness. Cute. Some leaves. Okay, and then on this side, let me grab another box from KellofaPlan. Have these larger boxes, but I can cut these boxes down too. Okay, so I have this one. Let's see, I want to put this protect your energy. I'm going to cut this one down just by cutting the top off and then placing it back together to make it a little smaller. And then cutting this off. Okay, so now I can use this box over here. Oh, I almost forgot the cute little doggy. We'll stick him here in the middle. And then I do have bullet points, so I'm going to pull these. Get this color on the page a little bit. Can do these little dots. Okay, cool. Oh, they just look so calm. I love the colors so much. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more over here. Oh, you know what? Let me get some quotes. So I'm gonna go back into this book. There's some nice, like self-love, care kind of quotes. I like this self-care checklist. Let's see if this will fit. Okay, so that's like a little self-care checklist. I like this brave, bold, beautiful. Stick that down here. Just all these nice quotes. What is nice to have and to read during the week. Okay, I want to do... I love this quote right here. There's love the way it looks. So it says self-love because you're a freaking amazing, beautiful, and worthy human being. That is too perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab another box. I guess I am getting away with just using this color. I really like this color. It's a nice neutral color. Okay, let's have that there. And then I can do some of these leaves. I do a little list here too. Okay, let me see. Oh, I have this. No, I'd rather do a little bullet point list. Okay, so I'm gonna grab some bullet points from here. And now I can do a little, maybe like 3 dots is good. 3 bullet points going down this way. Pretty. Okay. Let's see what I can get from this book. There's some nice stuff in here that match this color scheme. So do I want to do priorities? No. I think this one, oh, I grabbed the big one. It's like, it's kind of big. Let me grab the other one. Oh, I have this. Okay, so I'm adding in that color. Let's see. This box. Okay, I can't use it that way, so forget that. Okay, let me find something else that's like that color scheme. Oh, there was like circle stickers, maybe? Maybe. I like these Today Was, because this is going to be like a self-care kind of spread, so, well, this is a self-care kind of spread, so it's nice to like reflect on the day. I'll do this one in the middle. Okay, so that helped to get that color over here too. Now I just need to get it over here. So, continue looking. And I have this little arrow. This could be the header. Cool. I feel like I need something here in the middle. Oh, let me go back to this page. I got more leaves. Let me stick more of these leaves around this spread. And then I can stick some washi down too. I love the colors, they're so pretty. Okay. So I have one more candle. It's kind of big. Okay, I'm not gonna do that candle. All right, so let me see if maybe I can add another quote, because I really like these quotes. Some of them are kind of little. Okay, I'm gonna do this quote. It says, oh, actually this one. Take care of yourself first. I think that's a good one. Nice little reminder. Okay, perfect. And then maybe I'll do like a couple bullet points here. I feel like, you know, it's good for maybe like gratitude or journaling, reflection, that kind of stuff. Just a couple there. Okay, that looks really pretty. All right, so I think the last thing I'm gonna do is just washi, and I should be done, but I need to figure out what washi actually, because I have no idea. So I wanted to tie in the black quotes, so I have this black heart washi that I think looks nice, so I'm just gonna add it just to a couple places on the spread. I already added a little bit because I wanted to try it out, and I think it works. So I'm just gonna add some hearts. I feel like hearts are good for self-care and all that kind of stuff. Put some on the top over here. Okay, I won't be able to put it. Actually, where can I was gonna put it? No, I think I just want to do it. This one's always a little trickier. Maybe bottom. This quote is kind of in the way. Let me put the washi down first, and then I'll put the quote down. Okay, that works. Cute. All right, that is gonna be it for this spread. Alexandra, I hope you like. Okay, just realized that while I was editing that it cut off the video cut off. It's been doing that, so that's fun. But Alexandra, I hope you like your spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button.